Welcome to the session. Today we go for 741 op-amp design window comparator for any given UTP and LTP. So this is the circuit required for the UTP 3 volts, LTP minus 3 volts. For this we are designing a circuit. So upper threshold point and lower threshold point. You can check it out here. This is the circuit diagram. Here we have given minus 3 and we have plus 3. As we see in the circuit diagram, it requires 2 op-amps, 2 diodes, 1 resistor and 1 sine generator. So now let us go and start connecting this circuit. Now we can put it on capture light. Now we can click on new project. So we give a project name. So comparator COMP we give. It's an analog or mixed thing. Click OK. Now new design. Now in this, first we go for place part. Here we go for op-amp 741. This mu A741. So we need 2 of this. Press escape. So we require diode. So we require 2 diodes. Escape. 1 resistor. So 1 V sine. So V source, I think so. So now we required VDC. So this we required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us connect the circuit. Okay. Now we consider 1 V sine also. Press escape. Now we connect the circuit. The first thing is at pin number 3, take a wire. So you will be having minus 3 volts. So this is minus 3 VDC. Then this side will be grounded. Now this has been done. Now 2 and 3 short. So we have shorted 2 and 3. From this Y will connect to the, so here we don't require AC component. So this will be 2 and 3 short will be given for this. And other end will be grounded. So now then we can go for plus 5 volts. So this will go for pin number 7. So another end will be grounded. So we take many grounds here only. So this end is got grounded. Now same way here also. So we have connected and other end will be grounded. So this has to be in the reverse position at pin number 4. Another end is grounded. So again another end is got grounded. So now at pin number 6 we place one diode. Again at another pin number 6 we place a diode. Now these two are shorted. From this another wire. Will be given for register. The another end is grounded here. The resistor value is 1K. Even here the voltages we need to give 12 volts. So here also 12 volts. Required. So we need to connect one more at the pin number 4. And another end is grounded. Now all the circuit connections has been made. Then we save the design. Okay, now let us continue few corrections which has been not been done. Now first we change this to 12 volts now. Then pin number 2 here has not been connected, so that requires to be connected with 1 plus 3 volts because we are designing for plus 3 UTP and minus 3 LTP. Let me go for a wire there. Then VDC. So this will be 3 volts. The another end will be grounded. Now one more thing is we change the diode here. So instead of this we use another diode. We use the diode of the design catch. So we'll choose this one. So DN14002. So we go for these two diodes. Let us delete this diode. Let's delete another diode. Now two diodes we have been changed. Let me check again the circuit diagram, and this has to be your -3. That's the reason we need to change this also. So now we'll verify all the corrections are proper. You can find this extra here, you can remove it. So now all the connections are proper. Then we can go for a new simulation profile. So new simulation profile we give AW, or else we give CMP. Create. So then we need to give the two things. Now we go for run. It's showing an error. We need to check what is that error. So we have not given these values. Let us give the values. V of 0, so V amplitude 10, frequency 50. Now let us run again. So, and even we need to check the duration time. So this will go for 100 ms. We run again. Now we can check we got the required output.